Good afternoon, everyone. It's Thursday, the 24th of December, and what was supposed to be a good day turned out to be not necessarily bad, but it turned out differently. So it started off, I only got home at like 2 o'clock in the morning. That's why, first of all, a big apologies. I did say in the last video, which you obviously already saw, that I will upload it still on the 23rd. That didn't happen. I stayed out at a friend's place for way too long. As I said, I came back at like 2 o'clock in the morning and I was so tired I didn't prepare the video anymore. So the video was online a day late. Apologies for that. That's first reason why the day started off bad for me. Second, basically when I checked my emails this morning, I had an email from Amayama, the shop in Japan where I ordered the screws. And basically they came back and said, well, almost all of the screws I ordered are not available anymore and they don't know when they will get it. So they refunded me the money, which means that I, instead of today preparing the springs, which at this stage I'm thinking of taking them apart and clean them up one by one and put them back together, like nicely, freshly painted and everything. I'll see if the screw actually gets loose or if they welded it in because of the bars to lower it. So that I will try. And after that, it will be screw hunting. So I know of one shop where I ordered some of the fine threaded bolts that I needed for the axle. So I'll go to that shop because online I can only order like 100 screws at a time, meaning in one package. And I don't need that many. I need 6 for the front axle and then 2 for 2 different ones, obviously, for the springs. So yeah, I will obviously not record all of that. That's way too boring. So it might be that this video will be very, very short. It really depends. Do I get the screws? If they need to order them, you will likely see at the end of this video just another video or another update, me talking to you. Telling you that I couldn't find them or they needed to order them or whatever. And since it's going to be Christmas tomorrow, meaning there's no shop open and there's no way that the screws will arrive before then, so that we have to see. You will obviously see that just in a couple of minutes. And as for me, I'm looking forward to see what I can do. And yeah, depending on the outcome, I might or might not come back here, so the update might be from home. That depends on if I find screws or not. Because again, cleaning up the leaves, my colleague picked up the brush, so I can't brush them off. I might sandblast them. Maybe I will do that today, but again, it all depends. How far do I need to drive to find screws, if I find them at all? And if I don't find them, I might very well be just so bummed that I go home immediately and just take an easy day. Yeah, so we will see. Other than that, one other problem I noticed are and you saw it on the previous video, are the wheel bolts. Now I only was able to put 3 of them on because on the others, the ones I got with the car don't fit. And I think those are the new bolts. The ones that were damaged, I replaced with new ones that I ordered. Now my fear at this stage is that they are not metric, but they are UNC. Or the American measures, which means I would need to order or organize 2 different sets of wheel nuts, which sucks. But on the other hand, I don't want to take it apart again. That would suck even more. So yeah, I have my little thread measuring tool, so I can figure out what thread is it and what size it is. With that, I will try to find bolts accordingly, or it might just be that the ones that I got, that they are quite bad anyway. They are bad, I mean, they will not stay on the car. They're just on right now to move it around, because again, the plan is to get the frame rolling. And yeah, so let's get back to work, or yeah, I'll measure the threads, note them down, and then see where I can find screws. All right, let's see where this goes. Hey, evening everyone. So, as you just saw, the axle in the front, we advanced quite far. The upper and lower arms are on. We have all the splines, or whatever they're called, like these little things through the castle bolts. The one up here, yeah, you can't really see it. They're all in there. So up to this point, the front is together completely. The only thing, or rather what we will continue tomorrow, we will put on the rest, meaning the front brakes, the wheel hub, and start with the steering. On the steering side, we have the big part over here. So we need to wash it still, clean it up a bit, so it's ready to go on. On the rear, we pretty much have to wait for the U-bolts to mount the leaves on it. We'll still need to clean up the leaves a bit, and we'll just rattle spray can them black. My colleague thinks it doesn't make sense to take them apart because, yeah, taking them apart is always a hassle to put them back together because of the tension. So we basically decided we will not take them apart. So it's just gonna clean them up a bit more and wash them. Probably not even putting on some anti-rust, because those things takes forever to get done. So yeah, tomorrow there's a bit more on the front axle. The rear has to wait a bit longer until we have the U-bolts. And yeah, so that's it for me for today. I'm heading back home. I need desperately a shower. Quite dirty. Yeah, so gonna take a shower, have a calm evening, and planning to be back tomorrow. So expect another video, hopefully tomorrow, meaning on Friday or latest Saturday morning. It depends a bit on how long I'm staying tomorrow. And yeah, I think this video will air on Friday morning. It will cover Thursday because I still need to upload and prepare the other one. So yeah, probably Friday morning, and then expect another one Friday evening or Saturday morning. Again, depends on how long I'm around. Right, so yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a subscription here. Very well appreciated. I'm gonna answer all the comments, so ask away if you have any sort of question. I'm also taking advices, so whenever you feel like, oh, something is fishy or something doesn't look right, or maybe you have an idea, a suggestion, please let me know. I'm always happy to receiving feedback. And I guess we will see each other soon again. All right, everyone, then have a good evening, enjoy Christmas, and celebrate it accordingly with your family or friends. Stay healthy, stay safe, and yeah, see you guys soon. Take care, everyone. I'm out. Bye-bye, and Merry Christmas.